Hey, this is Michael from devo.com with another video review slash comparison. I've got two audio products, the Technica 3350 along with the Zoom H4n. And we've got some noise, some street noise and vehicles. And that's what this test is for, just to see audio comparisons. As you can see, I've got the lavalier mic, Technica lavalier mic, connected directly to the H4n on top of the 7D. One thing I noticed is that the cable is extremely long. It's 20 feet long, which can be good or bad depending on your needs. If you're having on-talent audio like this, if you're going to have the audio recorder directly on the talent, that can be problematic. But for this test, it seems to be all right. And another thing I noticed was that the on and off switch uses a watch battery, a watch type battery, so it's not a AAA or anything, you know, pretty common. So that's one thing to keep in mind. You always want to have that battery on hand, since you never know if that battery's going to be dead or not. And so I'm just going to disconnect the lavalier microphone and see the audio comparison between the H4n onboard mics and the Technica lavalier mic. Alright, so I've got the H4n audio using the onboard mics and a Redhead windscreen. It might be a little windy, but in this situation, the lavalier microphone is definitely a lot better. It's protected from the wind, and it's closer to my mouth. So all in all, I think the Technica 3350 is a definitely good purchase, if that makes any sense. Definitely a good purchase. Definitely a good purchase for around 20 bucks. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.